Virtualization is the basis of a new model for delivering IT services. While new models like this enable IT to meet accelerated business demands, the typical backup and recovery challenges are even more pronounced in these environments. For one, duplication of information across virtualized data stores drives enormous consumption of backup storage resource and associated capital expenditure. Additionally, virtual data centers are inherently dynamic, and there's always a risk that not all mission-critical information is being adequately protected, a result of the backup administrator being unaware of the changes occurring in these environments. In this demo, you'll learn how Data Protector provides advanced and integrated data protection for vCloud Director. For many customers and providers new to vCloud, it's important to understand the capabilities of this platform. This enables VMware administrators to provision secure multi-tenant organizations that can take full advantage of shared virtualized infrastructure, and it's based on VMware's vSphere architecture. The key features of vCloud's architecture are resource pooling, abstraction, and isolation. As we focus in on one of the organizations that we've created called Acme, we can see a series of virtual machine objects, which are grouped in a logical object called a vApp. This is a construct that vCloud leverages to deploy virtual machines. Data Protector delivers fully automated policy-based protection for vCloud, enabling service providers to offer flexible protection options within a single multi-tenant cloud environment. As you can see, the first step in protecting a vCloud Director environment is to have Data Protector discover the hierarchy and the VM objects. In this release, we have introduced a new backup client called VMware vCloud Director. Before we start the backup policy configuration, first we must supply the secure credentials to access the vCloud environment. The user in question here is the one that performs the backup process. It needs to have the system administrator role. This process leverages Data Protector's standard security capabilities and communicates in an encrypted manner between the Data Protector Cell Manager and the vCloud environment. Now let's create a backup policy to protect the organization's virtual machines and vApps. We will perform our backup leveraging Data Protector's Virtual Environment Agent, which communicates via APIs to protect vCloud. As we step through the configuration, you'll notice that we specify the client host running vCloud Director, the backup host running the backup process, the organization that we're choosing to back up, the method, in this case, note the VCD vStorage image. This allows the backup host to contact the VCD environment via the vStorage APIs to create an application-aware and consistent backup, as with Data Protector's existing vSphere integration. Data Protector has the ability to peruse the object inventory within the organization that has been specified in the previous step, allowing the admin to select the various VM and vApp objects for this backup. You'll notice that I have selected the marketing group object. Any new VM or vApp object beneath this level will automatically be included in this protection policy. This is because of Data Protector's one-touch protection technology. Let's now pick a device to back up to. And as with the existing Data Protector technology, you could easily leverage multiple devices to increase parallel processing and throughput. We'll complete the process by selecting the default schedule and selecting OK. As the process continues, you'll notice that the status screen is depicting the progress. You may know Data Protector leverages maximum storage efficiency for VMware backup, leveraging HP Store Once, which deduplicates data anywhere in the backup process, at the source, backup server, and target appliance. That's centralized dedupe management across the enterprise. Let's now take a look at a restore within the vCloud environment. The backup client has the ability to query the object inventory. In this case, we are seeing the previous backup from the Data Protector catalog. We'll see a point in time in which we want to recover from and a specific VM object. We've chosen to restore a virtual machine called single server. An important part of any restore is choosing where you want to restore it to. In this case, the integration between Data Protector and vCloud Director enables admins to peruse the destination's hierarchy and inventory and perform either an in-place restore or redirected. Let's now select Finish to complete our restore job and start the restore process. In this step, the Data Protector Cell Manager contacts the media and initiates the recovery of the VM object in question. As with the backup process, you'll notice the progress is being depicted in the status bar. As the restore completes, let's take a look at the restored objects in the vCloud environment. As we switch back to the vCloud Director Management interface, we'll select the IT Sandbox organization. We can refresh and see that our VM object has been successfully restored. You'll notice that the single server VM is now available for use. From an administrator perspective, the integration between vCloud Director and Data Protector provides the ability for organizations to protect 100% of their virtual infrastructure. Specifically, this addresses advanced VMware-based backup, protecting the vCloud environment and its provisioned VM and vApp objects. Organizations that are embracing data center virtualization aggressively can now leverage HP Data Protector, the industry's most advanced backup solution, to guard against data loss and corruption, and deliver automated, intelligent protection that addresses the dynamic nature of VM and vApp provisioning within vCloud Director environments. This concludes our demonstration for HP Data Protector 7, delivering automated and integrated protection for vCloud Director.